Tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Let's break free from debt and achieve financial freedom together. If you are also trapped in paying your credit card bills and struggling to get out of the trap, this video is for you. The first step to get out of this debt is understanding the nature of your debt. Are you dealing with credit card debt, student loans, or other types of debt? Debt can be a powerful financial tool when used responsibly, but it can also lead to significant financial problems if not managed properly. Here's a breakdown of key concepts related to debt. There are two types of debts: good debt and bad debt. Good debt used to acquire assets that appreciate in value over time, such as a home or a business. In this case, you take loan to invest in an asset which will generate larger returns in future, whereas bad debt used to purchase non-essential items that depreciate in value, such as cars or electronics. In one of our videos, we have discussed about the bad debt we are majorly indulged into of iPhones. Now, when you have classified your type of debts, we will talk about methods which can help you come out of the debts. First step in this is to create your budget. A budget is essential for tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back to free up more money for debt repayment. Prepare a list of expenses based on your past monthly records and identify the expenses which can be avoided. Now it's time to prepare a plan to repay your debts. Some of your debts can be cleared by the additional savings you will be doing by cutting the unnecessary expenses, while some expenses, like credit card loan, may need some additional planning. Your credit card companies usually charges you 24 to 45% interest, so try to get the personal loan, which will be between 12 to 18% interest rate. This will help you to save some amount of monthly EMI which you must be paying to credit card. Try to save that additional savings and plan to clear the personal loan at the earliest. Biggest mistake people do that they start spending again over credit card after clearing the debt with the help of personal loan. Remember, this is the biggest mistake, as in future, because of poor CIBIL score, you may not get personal loan also to clear this debt. You can also try to lend money from your family or friend to clear credit card loans. This would be interest-free or maybe with lower interest rate and stress-free. Next option can be to increase your income. Consider increasing your income through a side hustle, freelance work, or negotiating a raise at your current job. This is one of the best ways to clear your debt if it can be worked out. Remember, achieving financial freedom takes time and discipline. Stay focused, stay motivated, and celebrate your progress along the way. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Like this video and do comment what you think about this.